This is Math 99 Practice Test 1. This is problem number 9. And for problem number 9, we are supposed to solve. So we're supposed to figure out what x value works on this. So taking a look at this equation, one of the things that I notice is I have different denominators. So the other thing I notice is that I have denominators, which actually makes the problem a lot more difficult. So if I could just do away with these denominators, just make them go away, my life would be wonderful. So what I'm thinking about is what these all go into, and that would be 6. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. So multiply this side by 6 and this side by 6. And if it helps, you could think of it as 6 over 1. And you might see what happens right away. You might not have to go through all these steps, but I want to be really explicit. So both these things are multiplied by that 6. So if I do that, I basically have 6 over 1 times x over 2 plus 6 over 1 times 4 over 3. And I'll worry about the right-hand side in a minute. So I just distributed that. And here's what's great is 2 goes into 6 3 times, so that leaves me a 3x. 3 goes into 6 2 times, 2 times 4, so that leaves me an 8. And then similarly on the right-hand side, something happens. 3 goes into 6 2 times, so I have negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4. So notice that by multiplying by this 6, the number that both 2 and 3 go into, I have a similar problem, but I have a similar equation to solve, but no fractions to deal with. I mean, that's what's fantastic. So this is easy. Subtract 8 from both sides. 3x equals negative 12. Divide by 3. And it looks like x equals negative 4. And so just to be certain that I'm on the right track here, I'm going to check it because I lost some information when I did away with those denominators. So I might have an answer that doesn't work. If I plug back in a negative 4, it only goes into one spot. And notice I'm not dividing by 0, so I'm good. That works.